Okay, here's a Coco disk drive system set that I've got for sale on eBay. It's an FD-500, or it was. Tandy disk drives have been replaced with some other brand of 5¼ inch drive. Comes with the all important disk controller. Yeah, case needs a repaint. Needs a repaint on the top, but it does work well. So I've got it set up to my test Coco 2 disc extended basic color 1.1. Okay, the screen's flickering. That's because refresh rate with a CRT television and a camera is not so great. So I've got a test disc here. This one is Telluride 64, so put that in drive 0, do a directory. Okay, so there's its contents. To run Telluride, you run the menu. Okay, got our drive there. Let's pick the first option, which is just Telluride. Telluride 64, copyright 1983, cognitic. Yep, and it's loaded. So those of you familiar with the Coco, it's a vintage word processor. Just loaded it. And we can start typing. So anyway, yeah, there you go. Alright, so if you're looking for a disk drive for your Coco, here's one. So it comes with a controller and the disk drive. Eject that disk, turn off our cook bowl, turn off the TV. Alright, so there's the controller there and the disk drive. So if you're looking for something like this, look for it on eBay and drop me a line. I'm in Melbourne, Australia.